Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you send a lot of email with the same basic information? You might tired of typing the same reply every times. But Gmail has a unique features called templates, or you can say canned responses. So in this video I am going to show you how to create and use email templates in Gmail. So let's get started. Now I am going to open my Gmail account. This is my Gmail account. From the upper right hand side you can find a icon called settings. Click on it, and after that see all settings. Settings page will open. From here you have to click on advanced, and under advanced you will find templates. By default it was disabled, but you have to enable it. Click on enable. By enable templates you can compose your reply once and save the email as a template. Later you can open the template and send it again with just a few clicks. So let's see how. Now click on save changes. Now click on compose and leave the recipient and subject as it is, and you can find a. Now starting your templates. Now copy from, I need to copy it from here. Copy. Then I have to paste it over here. So same things you can copy from another source also. So I am going to copy from my other sources. Suppose from here I need to copy some lines and paste it over there. Now in the lower right hand side you will find 3 dots. Click on it, then click on templates, and then save as new template. Click on save as new template. Enter a new template name. That name will appear on the subject line in your email. So I need to name it first. Suppose I am going to name it important notice. And click on save. Simply close this window and you can find this template will be saved as a draft. Now I am going to show you how to use a save template. So for that you have to click on compose again, and same way in the bottom right hand side 3 dots over here you have to click on it. Now go to template and you will find the important notice that have already been created. Click on it. That templates will appear on your new message, and if you want you can edit it before sending. So click send when you are ready. As of now you can create up to 50 templates in your Gmail account. But one thing you need to remember, that templates only work on the desktop version of Gmail, not on the mobile apps. So that's it. Hope this video will help you. If you really like this video, please do subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.